What's going on, Mixer Nights? I am Nathan Mixer, your YouTube fitness coach, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put all the workouts that we've been doing for the past 4 weeks together using the jump rope. So that includes the basic jump, the alternating jump, the cross jump, and also the side swiping. So that being said, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already done so, turn on your push notifications, grab your rope. If you don't have one, you can always look in the link or the description down below to get one just like mine, but it does have a little bit of weight to it. All right, let's get started. So we're just gonna warm up real quick, starting off with the basic jump. Concept's gonna apply. Keep your elbows or arms as close to the body as possible and use your wrist to swing the rope around. 2 to 3 inches between your jumps, and you keep the core engaged and you should be good to go. From here, we're going to transition right into the alternating jumps. Okay, same concept is going to apply as we did in the basic jumps, and we're just warming up the body. You know, this time we're just alternating legs from left to right, right to left, however you see fit. And now it's going to get a little bit more complicated, getting into the cross jumps. So same kind of jumps. We're not jumping too high. You know, staying on your toes the whole entire time and swinging right between our arms. Just like that. And then lastly, the easiest thing I think is the side swipes. Just swinging left to the right, right to the left. Keep it as close to your body as possible. I find that to be the best method there. And let's get into the actual jump. Alright, so pretty much we're going to do one move of every single exercise, one technique. So one jump, one alternating jump, one crossover, and one side swipe. And then go back into that same routine. So jump, alternate, cross, side swipe, and go right back into it. It's going to take some getting used to. Even I had, you know, a little moment of practice there too as well. But once you get it, it becomes a nice little routine, and it looks kind of cool. So go ahead and try this particular workout. If it works for you, let me know in the comment section below. If you feel like it's too tough, I guess we got some more practicing to do, so make sure you go check out those older videos if you get a chance. I hope you all enjoyed that combination of jumps. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the push notifications, and also list down below what combination will you be doing next, utilizing those 4 different techniques. Comment down below, let me know what's going on, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.